I forgot America for do my business and them no want let me go. I forgot America for do my business and
People, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeak, and today we're gonna touch into a lot of topics. A lot of things has been going on in the media lately. But before we get into the video, please like, subscribe, comment and share the video. It helps us out a lot and it literally costs you nothing. And if you have it like that, please support us on Patreon. It helps the channel grow hugely and it will be much appreciated. With that being said, let's get into the video. Now, by now, you all know that Lisa Hype was arrested at the airport in Kingston, and here are some social media thoughts on the matter.
So all I know we are rejoice about Lisa Hype. Lisa Hype not gone to prison, she not gone to jail. Because she will get charged, but them can't do nothing. The police have let her go. And me I go show her no one. Lisa Hype, when she go in front of the judge, them are go plead to say she's of unsound mind, she have mental illness, and the court are going to use them discretion against her. So them are going to say her actions wasn't based on how she is, but based on where she have got you. So you know what them are going to do? Them are going to say, yo, send her to a psychiatric facility where she will get treatment. And the treatment where Lisa can get, it will just calm her down for a bit. But guess what? She not forget nothing. And she not forget no way how everybody treat her and people treat her. When me say everybody treat her, I talk about people in general. All the people where she go across, she not gonna forget nothing. Same like how her head chip out and she remember everything and talk about things. So guess what? You say Lisa head chip again, you know go normal. But I one thing me I say, me just glad say she get the help now. But all who are rejoice and feel like say Lisa I go prison and go to jail. No man. It don't work like that. She just go front to a judge and them go say she unfit to plead guilty for whatever she charged for. She not going to stand full accountability because she have a mental illness. It is very simple. But true enough, you don't know the law, you just come talk about bag of things because you don't know the law. The only thing them going to do, I still go to a psychiatric facility and then from there so, our life move forward. But you need to reach us, you know. But don't feel like it done. Don't feel like it done. But I'm glad she'll get the help.
Please do share your thoughts on that in the comment section below. Now on to the next clip. Here you can see Lisa Hype went live from inside jail and the police confiscated her phone.
people them locked me up from last night and now I'm on the airport and I know them me no get bail or nothing. Them no want let me go. So me go America. I forgot America for do my business and them no want let me go. I forgot America for do my business and okay,
People, she really lose it. She needs some professional help and I think we need to stop take this for a joke now because it actually gets serious. Here what KAHGO have to say on TikTok live.
Lisa Hype don't like nobody. I wait for a cartel. That's a problem. So welcome to club. Welcome to Sam's Club. Lisa Hype don't like none of them. Lisa, listen. If it is Lisa Hype alone, the only human being can stay around cartel is Shorty on the right and she on the left. Or maybe Shorty on the left and she on the right because Shorty have to decide her heart. Yeah. You just understand. Listen to me. The only human being on the planet where Lisa Hype comfortable with, for one day out of the week, she will give her a little peace and comfort in her life. And upon Sunday, when the two of them cook rice and peas and pick out cartel toenail them, it's Shorty. There is nothing new.
Stockholm Syndrome is a proposed condition or theory that tries to explain why hostages sometimes develop a psychological bond with their captors. Stockholm Syndrome is a contested illness due to doubts about the legitimacy of the condition. Emotional bonds can possibly form between captors and captive during the intimate times together, but these are considered irrational by some in light of danger or risk endured by the victims. Well, I've not much more of a step on that. People, please do share your thoughts on that in the comment section below. Now on to the next topic. Richie feelings this all podcasters about what they did with Lisa Hype. I want you all to take a look at this.
All I want to interview Lisa after Uno goes up and watch back that. Uno do it for views. Because I know enough I want to do it for, I'm in a business. Jaii Frais, the fixed, all I want to interview where I ask like Lisa Hype. None of Uno never try to understand. Because she up on her phone and she rant and I go on. I want to take it down and say, oh come. Because when I run competition, I don't want another for views. All I want to pussy. All I want to pussy. The whole I want to. Whole I want to pussy. And I can tell you that. Suck on yourself. Because I remember I beg my friend from Uno. Not pussy. A views don't do it for. Because I want to laugh. Tell you not pussy. Oh quick. We forget. Say she do this already. Oh quick. She do this already. But she don't want views. When I run competition, you don't want to have views when I run down. Because then I did my family. Me I don't have problem pussy hole. Me I tell you no. Fixed and Jaii Frais. Me I don't have problem. And I did my family. Suck on no matter what. Me I tell you when I pussy.
People, please share your thoughts on that in the comment section below. Anyways, that's it for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video. It really doesn't cost you anything and to help the channel out a lot. And also remember, if you can, please support us on Patreon. Anyways, that's it for now. Birdnation, stay sharp.